Sunnyland stapler.
Alright, well, I'm doing a review on the stapler. Just found it.
Purple.
It's purple. It's Sharpie. Has metal in it.
Works pretty good.
Works pretty good. Let's see if I can get an example. Oh.
Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't. Seriously. I think that one's signed.
Oh, yeah.
By Steve Leno.
Yeah. He's got one good guys.
Well, he was pretty good.
Well, here's an example. See, stapler's pretty good. Purple sharpener. It's full. I don't know if you can see, but in there, it's got all the staples. Yeah, just purple sharpener. All you gotta do, go Home Depot, not Lowe's, but Walmart, Target. I don't know if they have them at Crest, but wherever your store is. But sorry. Alright. What? Okay. Purple Sharpie stapler. Should buy one.